What's up? Today we're unboxing these Ben & Jerry Dunks off DHGATE, and I ordered them about like 2 weeks ago, and they came in pretty quick. They were supposed to come in a couple days, but due to COVID, they came in a couple weeks. Yeah, let's get into it. First things first. So they came in with DHL, and looks like that bag's gone. They came in a little cardboard box. Looks like they came with the SV box. Just like that. It says the size and everything. Looks good. You can see that. Alright, let's look at the shoes. Comes with the wrapping tape with the right ones. Ooh. Cow print feels nice. Everything feels good. Got the extra laces and everything. Nice. This looks good. Inside's everything. You can see the insole right there. Comes with the size tag. Bottoms look good. Check out the other shoe. Yeah, they look good. I'll have the seller in the description for you guys if you guys want to make a purchase. But yeah. I'll have a little montage of what the shoes look like, and yeah, they came with a little Nike slip. But coming up, I'll have a montage of what the shoes look like, in case you're interested. Everything about the shoe looks really good. The stitching and everything, you can see it's all perfectly lined up. No loose, nothing loose or anything. Yeah, usually on fakes, then this part's messed up, or this part right here is messed up because of like the words or like the color. But these are all legit, looks legit. This is squishy, which is what it should be, with the hard soles. This feels really nice, the toe box. The cow print looks good, looks legit. Got the little drip on each side. Let's check out this shoe. Yeah, same old. You got the stitching, that looks good. Got the little clouds in the back with the stitching, that looks really nice. Got the extra laces like I talked about. This part looks good. Cow print is very nice on these. Yeah, everything's really good. I think you guys should go buy some. Got the tie-dye, everything. Yeah, these are very good. Yeah, if you guys are interested, get yourself a pair.